My name is Ramjiati Sewak. I come from Fiji Islands, and my background is I'm agriculturalist by profession. I retired some 23 years back now. After my retirement, I have been staying in the capital city. Well, I have this knee joint problem since 2016. Before that, I used to walk down over 1 kilometer in the morning to the main road, catch a bus, go to the market, do my old shopping and come back home. But then, since 2016, my knee started getting slowly bad towards. It has come to a stage that I simply cannot work on my gardening at all. Just inside the house, even working inside the house has become very difficult. Well, when they were talking among themselves. They used to talk to me because treatment was they numb the lower part of the body, and the upper part was just covered me not to see it, what they're doing. I can hear the sound, the machine sound, this sound, that sound, all that's happening. It took them about 2.5 hours for the complete surgery. After the completion of the surgery, they asked me how you feel. I said, it's very, very painful, very painful. So they gave me some medication, I don't know. And then after an hour or so, all the pain have gone away totally. Well, my experience in the hospital itself, I would say, is good to outstanding. Actual hospital services that are available here, good to outstanding. There's no doubt about that. No doubt about that. Even the relationship, the way the staff people talk to you, very, very, very accommodating.